Today, I'm going to show you how to restrict editing in Adobe Acrobat Pro with a password. If you've ever shared a PDF and worried someone might change it, print it, or extract pages without your permission, this tutorial is for you. By the end of this video, you'll know how to lock down your PDF so only those you trust can make changes, keeping your documents secure and your hard work protected. Let's jump right in. First, open up the PDF you want to restrict in Adobe Acrobat Pro. Make sure you've got the right document open. We're about to make changes that impact how others interact with your file, so double-check you're working on the original or a copy if that's safer for you. Next, look towards the top of the Acrobat window for the Tools tab. Go ahead and click it. This is where Acrobat keeps all its powerful functions, and today, we need the one for locking down a document. Once you're in Tools, locate and select Protect. If you don't see it immediately, don't worry, Acrobat might have tucked it away, so you may need to scroll or use the search bar in the Tools window. On the left-hand side after you choose Protect, you'll see an option called Protect with Password. Click this, and a dialog box should pop up, guiding you through the protection process. Acrobat gives you two key types of restrictions here: viewing and editing. Since our goal is to stop unauthorized editing, make sure you select the Editing option. This will specifically block others from making changes or printing, unless they know the password. Now, let's set your password. Pick something strong. Think of a mix of letters, numbers, and maybe a symbol or two, but make sure it's also memorable to you. Enter your chosen password, and Acrobat will ask you to retype it to confirm. This double entry is there just to help you avoid any typos that could lock you out later, so take a second to double-check both fields match. Before you hit Apply, notice there are more options available that let you customize exactly how restricted your PDF will be. Under Changes Allowed, you'll see a drop-down menu. This is your chance to fine-tune what someone can do without the password. For example, selecting None will fully lock out editing, commenting, and filling in form fields, great for contracts or final documents. If you want to allow something specific, like letting people fill out form fields but not edit the actual text, you can pick that here. Just below that is the Printing Allowed setting. Do you want people to print your PDF at all? You can choose None if your document's sensitive, or pick between low resolution and high resolution printing. This might be handy if you want to keep a watermark or restrict the quality of printed versions. Once your chosen settings and password are in place, click Apply or OK depending on your version of Acrobat. Almost there. Acrobat will prompt you to save the document. It's really important to do this, or all your settings will be lost. Go to File, then Save. This step finalizes all the security controls and locks your PDF down tight. And that's it. Your PDF is now protected and ready to share worry-free. If you ever want to change these settings, you'll need that password you just set, so be sure to keep it somewhere safe. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit that like button. It really helps out the channel. Drop any questions you have in the comments. And if you want more tips for working smarter with Adobe Acrobat and other tools, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next guide.